If you love AI tools that save tons of time and help you make money too, hit that subscribe button for Jackie AI Flow right now. And listen, don't skip this video. At the end, I'll share a tiny tip that could double your video results. Miss it, and you might regret it. Have you ever felt like making YouTube videos is just too complicated? I'll show you how to create a full, high-quality video in just 5 minutes. No editing skills, no complex software, just one AI tool called VideoGen. Follow along with me step by step. First, open up your browser and go to the VideoGen link in the YouTube description below. That's the official platform where we'll be creating the video quickly and easily. The homepage is super clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. You're gonna love it. Once you're inside, you'll see a big search bar right in the center of the screen. Just type in the topic you want to make a video about. For example, let's say I want to create a video about 8 skills that help you grow as a person. I just type that in and hit enter. The AI will instantly suggest titles or video ideas based on your keyword. Pick the one that fits your style best. Here comes the fun part. You can personalize your video. Length. Choose 300 words, 600 words, or any custom length. Shorter videos usually grab more attention. Language, English, Spanish, and more. Voiceover. Pick a male or female voice, depending on your audience. I really love this feature. It makes your content sound more natural and relatable. After the AI writes the script, you can tweak it however you want. Just click and rewrite it. Once you're happy with your script, just hit the Create Video button. Give it a few minutes and boom, your video is ready to roll. Once your video is done, you can download it in HD or 4K, super crisp quality. Then just head to YouTube or TikTok, upload the file, and write a catchy title and full description. Pro tip, make sure to include keywords like AI tools to make money, or how to make videos fast with AI. That'll help boost your search results. Making videos is just the start. If you really want to grow your channel, here are 5 things to remember. 1. Set clear goals for your content and your income. 2. See failure as a learning tool, not a dead end. 3. Stay consistent. Even small progress each day adds up. 4. Surround yourself with positive, creative energy. 5. Always test new formats, styles, and titles. YouTube is a long game, but with tools like VideoGen, you're already ahead of the pack. Let me break it down real quick. No need for editing software. No hiring video teams. No fancy gear, camera, or microphone. All you need is an idea, a few clicks, and boom, you've got a video ready to post. That's a wrap. If this helped you, leave a like. Subscribe to Jackie AI Flow for more tips, and comment below what kind of AI videos you want to create. I read everyone. See you in the next video.